Welcome to K-Day Travel.
Come take a look at cabin 4426, an ocean view stateroom on the family harbor deck aboard the Carnival celebration.
Cabin 4426. Try that again. Come over here, take a look out the ocean view. The mini bar. The ottoman has storage inside. Reading lights, USB plugs, towels, more storage, more reading lights, closet space, more closets, safe. Take a peek at the bathroom.
Thanks for watching.
We hope you enjoyed our tour of Carnival Celebration's Family Harbor Ocean View Cabin. Be sure to check out our full ship tour on the Carnival Celebration. Life's a trip. Make yours memorable.